Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Firestick, if you know what I mean. So first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. And to do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, let's start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get the loader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually stop the loader, we'll need to go to the settings on your device. And let's do it right now. So go to the settings on your Fire Stick by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually super easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which we always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, all we have to do is just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Hungary right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go back to a list of apps on your device and open up Downloader. Then you just wait until the app loads for you. And after it has loaded, you need to click on Home and the left side menu. That's really important. And after that, go to search bar, and there we'll be entering the codes. So the first code today is going to be 307888. So once again, it's 307888. That's the code that you have to enter. And then you gotta click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now as you can see, the download has started. That didn't take too long. Then you gotta click install and wait until the app finishes installation on your Fire Stick. And after it's installed, it's not actually over yet. We still need to set it up properly, so you need to click on done, and then delete and delete. So this way we get rid of unnecessary files from our Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because your Fire Stick by default doesn't have too much of free space anyway. And now let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, wait until it loads for you, and then here you'll find the first app that we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the application is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. And now let's go back to the loader so I could show you even more amazing apps that you can get to your Fire Stick to watch your actually spicy content. And the second code is gonna be 285356. So once again, 285356. That's the code. Let's click on go and wait until the download starts for you. And there you go, the download has already started. Will take us only a couple of seconds. Then you click install and we are almost good to go. Then once again, don't click on open. Instead, click done, then delete and delete. And now, if you go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, which is exactly what we're doing right now. Yeah, there it is. We open it. And there's the second app, which we just downloaded. Let's put it up front as well. And now we got 2 amazing apps for you, which is not over yet, by the way. So we go straight to the loader, and we're gonna get you one more amazing application for today, which is gonna be 4387113. So once again, 4387113. That's the code. You hit that go button. And then you can also click on that link to make the download process happen a little bit faster for you. And as you can see, file is already downloaded. We just need to install it properly. So wait for a couple of seconds. And then as always, delete those unnecessary installation files. So delete those. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you open it, and there's the last app which we downloaded. So we put it up front as well. And now here we got 3 amazing applications for you. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.